Have you ever struggled to withdraw money from a Forex broker? Or lost funds for no clear reason, even though your trading strategy was perfectly sound? The truth is, thousands of traders in the Philippines face this situation every year. Not because they're bad traders, but because they chose the wrong broker. Some platforms have extremely high spreads, slow withdrawals, or don't support PHP. Others aren't properly regulated, putting you at risk, often without you even knowing it. In this video, I'll share the top 5 most trusted Forex brokers in the Philippines for 2025. Brokers that are not only legal but also offer great bonuses, fast withdrawals, and user-friendly platforms. These are ideal whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. And at the end, I'll reveal a broker that lets you start real trading with no deposit required. Let's begin with Exness Philippines. This is one of the few brokers that offers instant withdrawals via GCash, BDO, and BPI. Their spreads are extremely low, especially with the raw spread account, and they're regulated by FCA and SISEC, two of the most reputable financial authorities in the world. Right now, Exness is giving away $10 once you verify your account. With fast processing and low fees, Exness is a fantastic choice for beginners. Next up is XM, a name that's very familiar to the trading community in the Philippines. XM stands out for offering a $30 no-deposit bonus, which means you can start trading real money without funding your account first. The interface is simple, available in both English and Filipino, and the broker is regulated by ASIC and SISEC. While the spreads on the standard account are a bit higher, they offer cashback and loyalty rewards for frequent traders. If you want to test a real platform before investing, XM is a smart way to start. The third on the list is HFM, formerly known as Hot Forex. Its biggest strength is the leverage up to 1,000, which is ideal for those with smaller capital. They offer a clean, easy-to-use platform, a lightweight mobile app, and welcome bonuses of up to 50%. However, higher leverage also means higher risk, so if you go with HFM, make sure you have a solid risk management plan. Next is Tickmill, an excellent option for speed-focused traders who use robots or scalping strategies. Tickmill offers ultra-low spreads on pro accounts, places no restrictions on trading strategies, and is regulated by FCA and FSA. Many professional traders save tens of dollars per month just by switching to Tickmill due to its lower trading fees. Last but not least is OctaFX, a broker that's heavily advertised in the Philippines. OctaFX has a very user-friendly interface and frequently offers 100% deposit bonuses. However, it doesn't hold licenses in the US or Europe, and its spreads are usually higher than competitors. So, if you choose OctaFX, I recommend using a demo account first to test the platform's reliability. Before choosing any broker, remember these 3 golden rules. Is the broker regulated by top-tier authorities like FCA, ASIC, or SISEC? Does it offer convenient withdrawals for Filipinos, such as GCash or local bank transfers? Are the spreads and execution speeds stable and consistent? The best way to check is to open a demo account, test the platform for a few days, and always try withdrawing a small amount before depositing a larger sum. And here's a little gift for you. If you don't have capital yet, XM is giving away $30 for free. Just sign up and verify your account. No deposit needed. You can use this money for real trading, and if you profit, you can still withdraw it. To sum up, Forex trading can either be a golden opportunity or a costly trap, and it all comes down to picking the right broker from the start. Choose those with clear legal licensing, PHP withdrawal options, and transparent bonus policies. And above all, start small, stay calm, and keep learning. That's the true path to long-term success. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment. Which broker are you using right now? I'll dive deeper into the pros and cons in future videos if there's enough interest. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart investing tips and honest broker reviews across Asia. See you in the next video.